Hello, hello, my dear students. Listen carefully. Will be a lot of fun. So, let's move on to your topic today. Crop production. Chapter 1. Chapter 1. Chapter 1. Crop production. Crop production. Most important chapter. Most important chapter for class 8. For class 8. Wow. Agriculture. Agriculture. We get nutrition from food. Listen carefully. My dear students, listen carefully. We get nutrition from food. Write down your notebook. Please write down. We get nutrition from food which is obtained which is obtained from plants and animals. From plants and animals. Do you understand? Yes. The science that deals with that deals with write down in your notebook, deals with growing crops and rearing crops and rearing crops and rearing. Do you understand? Yes. Animals for human use. For human use is called is called is called agriculture. It's called agriculture. Do you understand? Agriculture began about 12,000 years ago. Before that, humans were wandering food gatherers at raw fruits and vegetables and hunted animals for food. Okay? Okay. Actually, it will be a lot of fun in this topic. Listen carefully. Listen carefully. Chapter 1, crop production and management. Okay. Energy from food is used to carry out various metabolic processes like digestion, respiration, and excretion. Hence, food has to be produced on a large scale. On a large scale. My dear students, whatever you see in the notes, in the video, you have to write it down in your notebook. Do you understand? Yes. Yes. Understand? Yes. Yes. At first, agricultural practices. We have already discussed in a classroom in offline classes. Agricultural practices. Crop. What do you mean by crop? What do you mean by crop? When some food crops are grown on a large scale in a field over a large area for large scale production, it is said to be a crop plant. Understand? Yes. Yes. Good. Classification of crops on the basis of season. They grow. On the basis of seasons, they grow. We have already discussed Kharif crops. Kharif crops. With the crops which are grown in rainy season, that is June to September. For examples, paddy, cotton, maize, soybean, and groundnut, etc. Next, Rabi crops. The crops which are grown in winter season from October to March. For example, wheat, gram, pea, mustard, etc. Now, now I am going to discuss about agricultural practices carried out by farmers. Agricultural practices carried out by farmers. Preparation of soils. Preparation of soils. Okay, already discussed. Soil. This is the first step in preparation of field to cultivate crops. It is most important step which helps in turning up the soil and lodging it. This allows the roots to penetrate deep into the soil. The process of loosening and turning soil is called tilling and plugging. Already discussed in offline class. Okay, revision notes ready in my video. Ye notes please write down in your notebook. Okay, all the questions with answer are also to be written. Okay, whatever you see in the notes in the video, you have to write it down in your notebook. Okay, next, equipment used: plow, hoe, कल्टीवेटर. ये क्या है? इक्विपमेंट यूज्ड. ठीक है, जो इक्विपमेंट यूज होता है फॉर क्रॉप. एंड sowing. What do you mean by sowing? Selection of good quality, clean, healthy seeds is important part before the sowing. Process can be carried out. Damaged seed become hollow, thus are lighter in weight and can float on water and can be separated from healthy seeds before sowing. Understand? Yes. Equipment used: traditional tools, seed drills. Equipment used. Next, adding manure and fertilizers. Fertilizers, already understand. These are the nutrients that are added to soil to increase crop yield and promote healthy plant growth. These are chemical substances made in factories. Okay, manuring, the process in which farmers add manure to soil so as to replenish its nutrients quality, is called manuring. Manuring, it is an organic substance obtained by decomposition of plant and animal waste by microorganism. Then crop rotation, it is a method of re- replenishing the soil by growing different crops alternatively on the same land. Irrigation, supplying the crops with water in regular interval of time is called irrigation. Okay, do you understand? Yes. Sources, traditional methods. Okay, next topic. Going to next topic: sprinkle irrigation. What do you mean by sprinkle irrigation, drip irrigation. Okay, so sprinkle irrigation. In this method, perpendicular pipes having rotating nozzles on top are joined to the main pipeline at regular intervals. Water is allowed to flow through the main pipe under pressure with the help of a pump. It escapes from the rotating nozzles. It gets sprinkled on the crop as if it is raining. Understand? Understand. Drip irrigation. Protections from weeds. Weeds, wedding, tilling. Good. Understand? Yes. Now, harvesting. Harvesting. Cutting of crops. After 3 4 months, after which it becomes mature, is called harvesting. Okay. Good. Trashing. Trashing. Storage. Storage. Crops should be stored in a clean place which is free from moisture, dust, insects, rats, and microorganisms. Okay, so various important points in storage. Please write down in your notebook. Okay, food from animals. Animals are reared at home or in farms and live to be provided with proper food, shelter, and care. When this is done on a large scale, it is called animal husbandry. Example, fish, poultry, etc. So now next, all important questions in this chapter. Please write down all notes and all questions in your notebook. Okay, please write down. All the questions with answer are also to be written. Okay, okay. Some questions are most important in your script. For example, question number 1, select the correct word from the following list and fill in the blanks. Float, water, crop, nutrients, preparation. Okay? Okay. Already answer given. Question number 1, A, crop, B, preparation, C, float, D, water, minerals. For example, for growing a crop, sufficient sunlight and D, water. Water and nutrients. Okay? From the soil are essential. Questions and answer given in this video. Please write down all questions with answers in your notebook. Okay? Check on notebook, check on Monday, tomorrow. Complete your notebook. Okay, understand? Yes. Question number 1 2 3 4. Right, write a paragraph in your own words on each of the following. Preparation of soil, sowing, weeding, threshing. Okay, threshing. Explain how fertilizers are different from manure. Fertilizers and manure different. 1 2 different, 3 different, 4 different. Okay, okay. Question number 6. What is irrigation? Describe two methods of irrigation which conserve water. Conserve water. So write down all questions and all answers in your notebook. Okay, total questions 11. 11. Bus. And so chapter 1, complete your notes and complete your questions with answer. Okay, do you understand? Yeah. Okay, that's what today class ends. Next video will bring out me next topic. Thank you. Many thanks. Okay, 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 bye.